He is his job. When he puts on his uniform, I look at him and I think, my lovely man. But the price is too high, and every time he takes off, he chooses his other family, the buried life above us. But the price is too high, and every time he takes off, he leaves himself on the sidetrack while we carry on with our own lives. If he died, my life wouldn't really change, 'cause I carry the family on my shoulders. But oh, I would miss him so. If he died, my life wouldn't really change. But oh, I would miss him so. I would miss him so. He can give anything in return. So I take power at home. You gotta stand up and fight. Brandtower Falters. It is nuanced and complicated. If he died, my life wouldn't really change. But oh, I would miss him so. I would miss him so.